I'm here on the stand with Kevin from the TowPro Group, and he's going to take us through some new items that I haven't seen before.
Yeah, hi guys. TowPro Group's just brought on some more products. We're continuing to add to our range. We've always been the New Zealand distributor for Waitai predominantly, but with us travelling on the road regularly, we've found some other products that we think will benefit other travellers. So we've just brought on a brand out of the Queensland in Australia called Adventure Pumps, and they do water transfer pumps, which you can use a little submersible pump in a jerry can, or pull the cap off and use it as an inline pump.
Okay.
Transferring water back into your caravan,
yeah,
or motorhome. And that's predominantly if you're set up on site for a long time and need to replenish your water. And then they fall in line with the bladder systems that we've just partnered with FlexiMake out of Dandenong in Melbourne. And they do freshwater and grey water and diesel storage. So just trying to bring in some other products that work well for the market.
Well, that's super interesting. Something quite different for us here in New Zealand. I'm sure the Aussies have seen all this type of thing before, but no, we haven't really.
Yeah, no, definitely. And we can custom make a lot of this bladder stuff as well, so we can make it to suit your vehicle.
So what sort of litrage are we talking for this first blue one here?
The first blue one's 105 litres, and it's designed to go in the footwell of a vehicle. So that's a cutout for the centre console and like a Land Cruiser.
Yeah.
And then we do the box bladders in various different sizes. That's a 200 litre. But we do 60s, 100s, all your different sizes.
So could you go to a creek or a river and fill one of these with the pump here?
Yep, you could essentially, or to your local dump station if you're parked up somewhere and you're 10-15 minutes down the road, go and fill up with fresh water in town, and then bring it back and transfer it over. Yep. Oh, well, thank you so much for your time and showing our viewers that. And awesome.
We'll see what else we've got going on here on the stand. This is a great little product we're just going to have a look at. Real handy.
We've got the Ridge Monkey Connect pan. So it comes with the accessories, has the ability to separate into two separate fry pans. Just links back together for toasted sandwiches or paninis. And then this little thing has your accessories, and if you flip it over, the handles come off and lock away in there. And the whole lot folds up and goes into a nice little neoprene carry bag.
That is fabulous.
Stops it rattling, stops it getting scratched.
And there's different sizes here.
Different sizes, so that's the small, that's the medium.
And then there's the large.
Then there's the versions with the pots. This one has a steamer option, so you can steam your veggies on there.
Oh, that'll be good for people for dumplings.
Dumplings, certainly.
Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you so much. That was another great video from NZTODAY RV Travel Lifestyle magazine. Subscribe and follow our channel for more great videos. Follow us on Facebook. Thanks for your support.